Hi, we are the puppeteers for the Joey puppet in Warhorse, and we are going to do probably the biggest sound that Joey does in the show. Normally when he's rearing, comes out of the rear and then starts to calm down, and this is what sound we would normally do.